And I'm going to go and make a rectangle. This is really nice. So if I want to do some measurements in class, I hit the ruler button and it gives me different options for rulers right here. So I can click this ruler here. I can take that blue part, move this ruler around here, line it up, and then I can bring it in. Boom. There you go. Whoops. And sometimes I'll click the screen and I should have done select. So again, just hit that undo. It, like I said, has multiple undos and redos. So for the ruler one, you got different rulers you can use. You have also something called shapes. Let's take a look at shapes. You have 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So for the 2D shapes, you can see all your different selections. You got lines, even a flag right there, some dotted lines. So if I wanted a circle, just go ahead and you can use your finger or the pen. So I'm going to go ahead and make the circle right there. Let's take another shape here. Square. Make a square here or rectangle. Let's take a look at some of the 3D shapes right here. Sphere. All right. Let me see here. Pyramid. Right there. Put it in different, you can set it up, for different orientations right there. All right, cool. And again, with the select tool, I can grab that and I can move this around. And there's so many different options. So you can even hit color. You can change the color on that. Yeah, I'm liking that. So I'm going to do one more here. I'm going to go to shape. I'm going to do a 2D shape circle right here and circle there. And with that, I can take that circle and I can make another circle in there and I can just keep on drawing circles as long as I want to. So, all right. So let's go on to the next screen. And there's also options that you can fill in these circles with different colors. Let's go to a new
HKMLC, a place where visions come true.